Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your #1 source for all things related to business, entrepreneurship, and real estate. Here at HouseLux, we're all about demystifying business and real estate ventures, providing you with valuable insights and practical tips. Whether you're a seasoned business person or a budding entrepreneur, we've got something for everyone. We're passionate about helping you navigate your way to success. So, let's delve into today's topic. Stay tuned to learn about 10 easy businesses to start with very few requirements. Starting with our first business, freelance writing. This business model is a great way to turn your passion for writing into a source of income, with very few requirements to get started. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a knack for crafting compelling content. Freelance writing spans a vast array of sectors, from blog posts and articles to script writing and even book writing. The potential for income in freelance writing is significant. Depending on your skill level and area of expertise, you can set your own rates and choose projects that align with your interests. And the best part? You can work from anywhere, at any time, making this a flexible business opportunity that fits into your lifestyle. But remember, as with any business, it takes time, effort, and persistence to build a successful freelance writing career. So if you have a knack for writing, freelance writing might be the perfect business for you. Moving on to the second business, virtual assistant services. Ever wonder what a virtual assistant does? Well, they provide remote administrative services. This could be anything from managing emails and calendars, to planning events, or even handling social media accounts. The beauty of this business is the minimal startup costs. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a computer, and a knack for being organized. No need for a physical office or expensive equipment. Additionally, the demand for these services is on the rise. As the digital world continues to expand, more and more businesses are realizing the benefits of delegating administrative tasks to virtual assistants. This allows them to focus on the core aspects of their business. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or just someone looking for a flexible job, this could be a great business opportunity for you. As long as you are organized and can manage tasks efficiently, virtual assistant services can be a profitable venture. Let's explore the third business, home baking. In recent years, we've seen a surge in the popularity of home baking businesses. Why? Well, it's simple. They're easy to start, require minimal upfront investment, and have a large potential for growth. All you need is a passion for baking, a unique recipe or two, and a small initial investment for baking equipment and ingredients. From there, the sky's the limit. You can start by selling your baked goods to friends and family, or take it a step further and set up an online store. The beauty of a home baking business is that it allows you to work from the comfort of your own kitchen, all while doing something you love. Plus, as people continue to crave homemade, artisanal goods, the demand for home-baked delights shows no sign of slowing down. If you love baking and have a unique recipe, starting a home baking business could be a piece of cake. Next up, we have the business of social media management. In today's digital world, social media is more than just a platform for selfies and food photos. It's become a vital part of business strategy. Companies, small and large, are always on the lookout for skilled individuals who can manage their social media presence, engage their audience, and boost their brand visibility. The beauty of social media management is its low entry threshold. All you need is a good understanding of different social platforms and how they work, a knack for creating engaging content, and the ability to analyze trends and data. You don't need a fancy degree or a brick-and-mortar office. You can start right from your living room. And let's talk about the income potential. With businesses willing to invest a significant portion of their marketing budget on social media, a proficient social media manager can certainly command a handsome fee. With the right skills, social media management can be a lucrative business. Now let's sweat a bit with our fifth business, personal training. Imagine turning your passion for fitness into a thriving business. Personal training is all about helping others achieve their health and fitness goals. You don't need a gym or fancy equipment to start. All you need is knowledge, a certification, and the ability to motivate others. Getting certified as a personal trainer can be done online, and it's more affordable than you might think. Once certified, you can start training clients in their homes, at a local park, or even online. The potential income? Quite promising. Fees for personal training sessions vary greatly depending on location and expertise, but on average, you can expect to earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour. The beauty of personal training is that it's flexible. You can work as little or as much as you want, and you can specialize in areas like strength training, yoga, or even nutrition. If you're passionate about fitness, personal training could be your road to success. Moving forward, let's delve into the world of dropshipping. If you've ever dreamed of owning an online store but balked at the thought of inventory management, dropshipping could be the perfect solution. In a nutshell, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The beauty of this model is its simplicity. With no need to manage inventory or handle shipping logistics, the startup costs are minimal. But don't be fooled, the potential for profit is significant. By focusing on marketing and customer service, you can create a successful online store that customers love returning to. Plus, with the rise of e-commerce platforms like Shopify, starting a dropshipping business has never been easier. With proper research and dedication, dropshipping can be a profitable online business. Let's turn the page to the seventh business, tutoring. Now here's a venture that's as rewarding as it's flexible. Tutoring is all about sharing knowledge. Whether you're a math wizard, a science guru, an art enthusiast, or a master of any other subject, there's a good chance someone out there is looking for the expertise you possess. The requirements? Well, they're minimal. A solid understanding of your chosen subject, good communication skills, and a passion for teaching. You don't even need a physical location. With the rise of online platforms, you can tutor from the comfort of your home, reaching students across the globe. And the potential income? It's pretty impressive. Depending on your expertise and the demand for your subject, you could charge anywhere from $20 to $100 an hour. So if you're sitting on a wealth of knowledge and have a knack for teaching, tutoring could be a rewarding business. Next on the list, we have handmade crafts. In a world where mass-produced items are the norm, people are increasingly craving the personal touch of unique handmade items. This is where your creativity can shine. With minimal startup costs, you can turn your passion for crafting into a profitable business. Whether it's jewelry, home decor, or personalized gifts, there's a wide market for these unique creations. The beauty of this business is that it can be started right from the comfort of your home. All you need are your crafting supplies, a creative mindset, and a platform to sell your products. The potential for income can be quite substantial, especially if you create items that are in high demand. Moreover, with the rise of online marketplaces like Etsy, selling your crafts worldwide has never been easier. So if you're creative and enjoy crafting, this could be a successful business venture. Our ninth business is consulting, a road that often leads to financial success while allowing you to share your knowledge and expertise with others. Consulting is a fantastic business venture that requires minimal initial investment. All you need is your knowledge, experience, and the ability to communicate effectively. Let's break it down. A consultant is an expert who provides advice in a particular area. This could be anything from marketing strategies, technological advice, or even life coaching. The key is you need to be really good at something that others will value your advice on. The potential income in consulting can be quite attractive. Many consultants charge an hourly rate, and depending on your field of expertise and the market demand, this could range from $50 to several $100s per hour. Remember, in consulting, your reputation is everything. Building a strong network and delivering high-quality advice is crucial. If you're an expert in a certain field, consulting could be a lucrative business. Last but not least, we have blogging. Blogging is an exciting avenue where you can unleash your creativity, share your thoughts, and connect with like-minded individuals. It's an easy business to start with very few requirements. All you need is a computer, internet connection, and a flair for writing. Blogging allows you to write about any topic that you are passionate about. Whether it's fashion, technology, travel, or food, the world is your oyster. The startup cost is minimal, often limited to the cost of a domain name and hosting, which can be very affordable. The potential for income in blogging is significant. You can earn through advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and even by selling your own products or services. The key is to create valuable content that attracts and retains readers. If you have a passion for a specific topic and love to write, blogging could be your path to success. There you have it, 10 easy businesses to start with very few requirements. From freelance writing to home baking, virtual assistants to social media management, personal training to dropshipping, tutoring to crafting, consulting to blogging. Each of these opportunities presents a viable avenue for aspiring entrepreneurs. Remember, the key is to start small, grow steadily, and believe in your business. Thank you for joining us at HouseLux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more business and real estate insights. Until next time.